a strong start is very vital to the success of whoever's gonna win this match. So eto na po tayo. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Anton Rojas together with Mika Reyes. And of course, Diana Igual is with us at courtside. Fifi Ariola, breakthrough performance for her today. Her longest match played. Talagang binabad siya ni Coach Sandy Rieta dito sa laban na to. And here she is, Ariola setting up Umipon. Popped up by Jaisha Lopez. Dolorito hitting it to the other side. Oh, 2 touches for the rookie. Sabi ni Razel, kalma lang. Two early points for LPU.
Kung kanina ang silent killer natin si Tula, ngayon si Lopez naman ng Lyceum, yung silent killer.
Alright, let's get a quick update from Diana Igual at courtside right now. Diana?
Anton and Mika, when I talked to head coaches Sandy Rieta and Romuel Garcia, they both said a lot about familiarization of the opposing team and how this will be the challenge in today's match. Because these teams played a lot of games together, alam nilang napag-aaralan ng kanilang mga galawan, kaya naman for the game at hand. And in this last set, both coaches are balancing the need to stick to their systems but still being able to create play variations para magulat at makalamang sa kabilang kuponan. Anton and Mika?
Yung familiarity talaga, kung lagi naman kayong magkakalaban at kung kayo yung palagi naghaharap, medyo dun talaga tayo nagkakaroon ng challenge. Kasi syempre, kailangan mo i-variate yung palo mo.
Hey, how about that? Dolorito showing a lot of emotion. And Coach Cromwell liking what he's seeing so far.
Yes. Nag-enjoy talaga sila sa loob ng court. Their celebration.
At some point, Dapol has to get her spikes in. Ayan na.
Narinig tayo ni Dapol.
34 markers for MRD, the MVP.
Anton, ilang score kaya? Ano kaya ang final score ni Dapol? Tingin mo after this game?
Alam mo, I would love for her to go for 40, ah.
Wild!
Wild. Wild is the word.
I know.
Ayan, dahil sa word na yan, medyo wild yung palo ni Daps.
I think there was a miscommunication there.
Pero ano, we've seen that, ha. Si Gia Makilang, yung rookie ng Letran, won the game with a wild left spike. Left-handed spike.
Swerte. Yun yung swerte.
Ariola, wow. Difficult set.
Ooh,
Ang
good
hirap
attempt.
nun.
I know. Good attempt by Lyceum.
Look at this set right here. Parang nagbalay.
Ay, ang lambot ng katawan niya doon.
Fifi Ariola. Wow. Puso naman. Simple lang. Ariola to Daps. Tuguna. Off the block.
Usually, kapag isang blocker, ang ginagawa ng mga outside spikers, sharp cross o talagang ididiin nila sa cross court. Pero, ina-check lang ni Doguna.
Ariola. Dapol.
Again! Yung tres na atake talaga, siguro sa buong game until this fifth set, 2 beses pa lang siya napigilan doon. 1 beses pa lang na block.
Doguna. Puzon. Back to Joan. Bedanya popping it up. Shy. Breaks through the blockers. What a match.
Yes, I know.
This is how your new career welcomes you, Mika Reyes. You're sideline as of the moment while you are recovering.
At nag-enjoy ako, actually.
That's good to know. That's
Nag-enjoy
good to
ako.
know.
Hindi ko masabing masaya na nasa labas, pero
Oo.
nag-enjoy ako na makapanood from this view. Lalo na dito sa NCAA.
And it's a different role because you're sharing your volleyball mind.
Yes, and actually may mga natututunan din ako sa mga players dito.
And also, nasa scout mo na rin yung mga future na mga kalaban mo. Or magiging kakampi, like si Ming Ming, naging teammate mo. You never know.
I know. Aantayin ko ba sila or gano'n na ba ako katanda pag umabot sila sa Pro League?
Well, we have several graduating players here. Like Aldea for one. Oh, LPU. Heartbeat gives LPU a 3-point lead. And you love to see it, Mika, na rookie lang si Hart, pero nag-enjoy siya, may swag siya.
Walang pressure.
Yeah.
Nakikita mo sa aura niya na hindi siya naninigas. Kung bibigyan ako ng bola ni Ate Venice, papaluin ko to, ida-drop ball ko to.
Iba rin, ano, na dito, ate si V-Nice.
Oo nga, no?
Sa inyo, siya yung rookie eh, siya yung bata.
yung baby namin.
Ito na yung crucial. 8-6 LPU. 2-point lead in the fifth set. Puzon. A lot of space to operate.
Even though nandun na si Aldea, binigay na kay Umipon ang middle blocker ng Lyceum, hindi pa rin nila napigilan.
Pag nakabuelo kasi itong si Jonah, with her power,
Yes, yes,
ang hirap
Anton.
pigilan niya.
Totoo.
One of the strongest spikers here in the NCAA. Oh! Too strong for Hart. And I'm seeing Daps, medyo humihinga na ng malalim. So,
Tao pa rin pala siya.
kasi naman, triple-double, opensa-depensa.
I know.
And that's a crucial point for Perpetual. What a match.
Isa na lang ang lamang ng Perpetual.
Puzon. Too strong. No touch. And we are tied. This has got to be the match of the season.
Yes.
Look at the hang time. Ayun, malinaw.
May check ball.
That should have been a point for LPU, Mika. Malinaw na gumalaw yung daliri ng blocker. Puzon tossing it up off the block.
Jonah Dolorito challenging the hands of the blockers. Pa-check ball kung pa-check ball si Dolorito this set.
Magkakaalaman na. Omipon. Puzon setting it up. Oh! Jaja tulang nabitin pero
Nagawan pa.
natapik pa niya. Pababa na si Jaja doon. Pababa na siya eh.
Sa inyo, ayaw nyo tingnan yung sitwasyon eh. Talon na naman tayo ng talon eh, sayang oh. Sa likod yung setter, sasabayan mo, hindi. Ano nga? Pasa tayo, pasa. Pasa play mo. 9-11 pa lang yan. Pasa tayo, tapos depensa. Relax yun lang to, nagigigil na naman kayo eh.
Pressure on the side of Perpetual. Much needed timeout for Coach Sandy. Let's see how his players will respond. Back set, Omipon. Shy again. Momentum for LPU. Ariola back set. Sha Okado with a crucial spike.
Yung opposite setting ng Perpetual dito, getting very effective.
May binulong si Daps kay Fifi. Let's see kung anong plano nila. Lopez. Daps. Back set. Okado. Puzon was there. Lopez. Oh, what a save by Ariola. Dapol. Puzon to Chona.
Jonah Dolorito. Gusto ko yung reaction niya after that attack. Let's catch the replay.
Jonah Dolorito soaring and scoring for the LPU Lady Pirates.
And now, Laguna is in front.
Oh, that sails out.
Isa na lang ulit ang hinahabol ng Perpetual.
Yung sinasabi mo kanina, yung nanginginig ka as a rookie.
Yes,
Maaring ito yung nararamdaman ng mga players ngayon.
true.
As we are deep into the fifth set. Back set. Dapol. Oh, back row!
Wow! Sa harap, pupuntos hanggang sa likod. Pupuntos pa din si Jonah Dolorito.
Jonah Dolorito coming from out of nowhere. She was ready and there were no blockers. Puntos mula sa likod. A back row bomb. Sharp serve by Tulang. Ariola. Oh! Good read.
Buti nakaiwas sila doon.
And LPU is at match point. Coach Sandy Rieta calls a timeout.
Pasa tayo. Dito ka na lang, si Bob. Dos ka. Sino to? Sino na 5? Pasa tayo, tapos depensa, ha? Kaya pa yan.
Last point for Lyceum. Kailangan nila ng isang magandang service dito para hindi makapag-create ng play ang Perpetual.
Lyceum hoping to stay unbeaten and match the record of Benilde and Letran. Here we go. Tulang starts the rally.
Oh!
It's an ace!
Good service by Tulang. It's her 20-point mark.
Wow! So Jaja Tulang becomes the 7th player this season to reach 20 points, and she does it with this game-winning service ace.
Wow. Isang magandang serve for this crucial point.
And the LPU Pirates stay unbeaten. 4-0, matching the record of Benil and Letran.